Today we are going to engage in a micro-learning session on the graphic design platform Canva. Canva is used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, flyers, documents, and other visual content. The app offers countless templates for users to utilize and personalize with the click of a few buttons. The platform is also free to use. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a beautiful personalized holiday card like this one. So the first step is to open up your browser and navigate to canva.com. Once you're in Canva, you'll see the countless graphic templates available for you to use and personalize. From videos to presentations, posters, Instagram flyers, the list goes on and on. I will go ahead and type in card in Canva's search bar and press enter. As you can see, Canva allows you to apply countless filters if you're looking for a certain size or theme. For this tutorial, we are making a Christmas card, so I will go ahead and apply the Christmas theme. I also know that I want to use a personal photo in my Christmas card to give it a more personalized touch, so I'll use the photo filter as well. Now you can see only cards with photos open up. In addition, I know that I want to use a free card, so I'll go ahead and apply the free filter. Now we see the options of the cards that are available for us to make for free. As you can see, the filters and graphic options are endless, so you can scroll through and select whichever template fits your needs. You can also create your own masterpiece from scratch, but this tutorial is focused on making templated graphics personalized using Canva. So we'll choose a template. Once we select our template, you notice that things look a little differently than the template that I showed you before. So all we're going to do is we're going to upload our own photos via Upload Media. I've already imported my photos into the gallery, but you would just upload media and select your files from your folders. Canva is so simple. I'm simply going to drag my photo onto the photo and it will replace it. I will drag my other photo, but maybe I don't like how that's centered. So I'll simply click on the photo, double click on it, and scroll over. Then I can click off, and we have our photo customized. In addition, I think I want to add some elements, maybe some paw prints into my personalized Christmas card. So I'll go ahead and type paw into the filter. I like these paw prints. I don't like them there, so I'm going to go ahead and move them. I don't necessarily like how large they are, so you can grab the handles and resize. You can move them anywhere that you'd like, and you can also position the paw prints, so we're going to send them backwards so that the gold flecks show a little bit more forward. And you can just play around with that until you get the position that you like. I also don't want it to say Season's Greetings. I'd like my card to say Merry Christmas from the Slies. I don't like how that lines up, so Canva adds very user-friendly options to center or make different effects to your text. So I'm going to go ahead and center my text just by clicking this button. If I want to change the alignment back, I can go ahead and click the button again, and the alignment changes for me. I also want to move these gold foils. I'd like them a little bit smaller, very user-friendly. I'd like to send them backwards. And finally, I'd like to add a little Christmas tree because it is a Christmas card. I will go ahead and select this one because it has the gold. It's a little bit big for my liking, so we can simply resize it. We can simply move our text over just by grabbing our handles. Maybe we wanted to add another element, maybe a star, or maybe not. Once you get your final liking of your Christmas card, you'll simply click the download button. Canva suggests downloading to PNG. You'll download. It takes a second while downloading down here. It shows you the status. And then it's going to go ahead and ask you to refer a friend and get rewarded. We're not going to do that at this point. We can go ahead and click our download, and open it up, and there's our Christmas card. Thanks for your time.